Do you want to know how to create this or even this one without paying for nothing? In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI effect, and this is for free and also a very simple way to use. As I said earlier on, you're not going to pay anything to anyone before you can do this. It is totally for free. All what you need to do is to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I drop a new content like this one. Please click on the like button for me to know that you really enjoy this particular video. Well, before we start this video, I've placed the link in my description which will lead you to my WhatsApp group and my Telegram channel. Okay, so do well to join in order to get my free updates and my giveaways on this particular platform. So now let's start. So getting started, you open your Apple Store, that's the App Store, then you search for the app which is called Down AI. I don't know how you can mention it, but I pronounce it Down AI. This is the icon of the app, and if you search for Down AI, this is exactly what you will see when you search or the search results. So it's very simple and very easy for you to download this and install on your device in order to access this. And so this is the app. This is how the app looks like, and you can see the app has been rated 4.6 stars, which means it is well and it is still working. So you can see the transaction over here. This is what you can use the app for. You can use it to make more AI effects over here. You can use for your DP and all sort of things. You can even use for picture frames and share it to other people. You can see 4.6 ratings out of 5, which means this app is working perfect. There's no viruses or anything. So just download and install this particular app. So I click on it and download for it to load and show you how this particular app works and how you can use it to generate free AI effects without paying for anything. It is totally for free. As I said earlier on, it is for free. So basically, after the app is downloaded, just open the app and I'll show you how this app works and some features on this app. So you can see Down AI on this particular app. You can see infinite version of you with AI. So you can see the transition over here. Just click on get your avatars, click on it, and you can close this. You can see $5.99 per week, but I'll show you how you can use this for free. So you can pick 8 to 12 photos of yourself and make sure that it is high quality, well lighted, only one person, various locations, various face expression, various angle, and you shouldn't take a picture with a sunglasses. So take these particular things into consideration and you get your best AI effects. So click on it and you can choose your photos. I've already created one with my own photos, but I want to create some with my favorite artist in Ghana, that's Sarkodie, my favorite artist. So you can see the one I've created down over here. That's my own pictures. So I've selected my favorite artist, that's Sarkodie's pictures, and you can see I have to select 8 to 12 pictures. So now I've selected 7, so let me go back and add 1 to it in order to make it 8. Yeah, so now I'll select the other one and add it up in order to make it 8. That's the minimum requirement. Then I'll close this ad, and you can see generate 50 avatars. So you can get more than 50 AI effects with these particular pictures. So it will be uploading the selfies. That's the 0 out of 8 photos that I uploaded 8. So it will upload into this system, and you have to close this. You can see 12.99 per week, but I'll show you some method you can use to get this for free. So just close this one, and on the next page you can see time left, it's 7 minutes. So it is processing, and when you get back here in 7 minutes time, you can see that your avatars has been created successfully in a very simple way. So when the countdown is completed, at 17 minutes is completed, you can see that the AI have generated a very nice AI effects for you. This is very nice and very simple. There is no hard work in this one. So if you want to download it, just click on it and click on the download button, and you can see saving photo. It has been added to your files successfully. This is very easy and very simple way to create an AI avatar. So if you are new here on this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel in order to receive more updates like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet on my next video.